Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Thursday laid the foundation stone of a memorial that will house an eternal flame on the lines of the Amar Jawan Jyoti as a tribute to soldiers and security personnel who have lost their lives in the line of duty. Days after the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate in Delhi was merged with the National War Memorial, drawing criticism from opposition leaders, Gandhi laid the foundation stone of the memorial that will house the Chhattisgarh Amar Jawan Jyoti. The Chhattisgarh Chief Minister had said that the removal of Amar Jawan Jyoti from the India Gate had pained him. According to the state government officials, the eternal flame will be lit on the premises of the Chaiti Vahini Chhattisgarh Armed Forces at Mana. The Chhattisgarh Amar Jawan Jyoti complex will have a brown marble wall with names of soldiers inscribed on it, a memorial tower and also a VVIP platform.